Hey, muchachos, Espanol Cuatro. I don't know who. I thought we had more of them. But anyway, it says we had 19 responses. 19 people took the test. So that means there's a couple of you that didn't take it at all. I don't know who you are because all it shows me is your email address. So I haven't sorted that out yet. But I need you guys to, check remind and make sure you're staying on top of this. Okay, so let's go over the first section, which was the affirmative to commands. And all this is all you got to do is look for the L or ella form from the present tense. So if we have aprender, so if you were to do a verb chart for aprender, you have aprendo, aprendes, aprende, aprendemos, and aprenden. This is the form that also works as the affirmative to command. Okay, so you have aprende. That's it. Okay, that's all you write. Some of you were rewriting the whole sentence. No, all you need to do is type into Google Forms what goes in the blank. No, it already has the upside down exclamation point. No, don't attach any pronouns. Just put in the affirmative to command. That's it. Okay? All right, so we have aprende for this one. Again, miro, if you look at your form, so you have miro, miras, mira, miramos, miran. So it's mira. I'll type it in there. I'll write it in there. That's it. Mira. No accents, no nothing. Here we have estudiar. So we have estudio, estudias, estudia, estudiamos, estudian. So we're going to pick estudia. And then down here, escribir, we have escribe. Okay? So we're just going back to Spanish 1, the L or ella form. That's what works. Now, we did have some irregular verbs. And these you just get off of your list. Okay, so again, how do you know if it's an irregular verb? You look on your list. If it's not on your list, then just do the L or ella form. But this one was sal. This is 10. And then these two need accents. Okay, so this one is be with an accent, and this one is se with an accent. Okay, the accents on your phone, remember you just hold down the E, and then you should have some options pop up, a bunch of different E's from different languages. And we're looking for the one that has the accent that goes up to the right. Starts low left and goes up to the right, okay? Same thing for the I. If you hold the I down, you can find the accent in there. And the N, if you hold the N down, you'll find the N-ye. Okay? But a lot of you did these two and didn't put an accent, and it's going to mark you wrong. There's no way for me to give you partial credit. So it's just got to be exact. Okay? I tried to allow it to let you do a capital letter because I know your phone will do that a lot of times where just that first letter is always capitalized. So I tried to let it allow you to do that. But if you're writing out the whole sentence or you're putting periods or you're attaching pronouns, it's going to mark it wrong. Okay? All right, let's go to the negative to commands. Okay, this one's easy. I think some of you made this harder than it is. So remember our two things. We're gonna work with the yo form. So we're gonna do the yo form of all these. And then we're gonna either add es or as. Okay? Hope you guys can see that. I hope you can zoom in too. I don't know if I'm writing big enough. So let's do this. So dejar is dejo. That's my yo form in the present tense. And because it's an AR verb, I'm going to change this to ES, right? So AR verbs are the ES, and then ER and IR verbs are the AS. So my answer is dejes. Okay? So I just go off of the yo form, and because it's an AR, I add ES. Change the O to an ES. Here, escribo, and the IR is going to be the AS. So you have escrib, and then I change the O to AS, escribas. Vender, my yo form is vendo, and so and we didn't have any irregulars on this one. This is all these you just work with the yo form and change the O to one of those. So vendo is my yo form. So let's go vendo. That's an E. And then because it's ER, I'm going to change this to AS. Vendes or vendas. Okay? Now this one's a little, remember this one as a car, and a lot of you did this. I was very impressed. That tocar is C-A-R. We have to do the spelling change. So my yo form is toco. Okay, so this is going to change to an E-S. But because of the ES, I also have to change the C to a QU. So we have toques. Sorry, that's an O, Q, U, and then ES, toques. No toques la cámara. Okay? All right, let's go down to the bottom one. And I know some of these get a little weird because these are verbs that are normally irregular in a lot of the other forms. And so but we still just follow the rules for this one. Oh, I don't know why I erased that. Okay, so poner is pongo. And then the ER, we're going to change this to AS, change the O to an AS. So pongas. Hacer is hago. Same thing, it's an ER verb, so we're going to change the ending to AS. Dormir is duermo. And again, IR would change it to AS, so duermas. Duermas. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So, the affirmative commands are the L or the A form, unless it's irregular. And then you should have a list of those. And then the negative ones, you just use the work off of the yo form and then change the O. Okay? That's it. The makeup, so the retakes will be up tomorrow. For both Illuminate and Google Forms. I haven't checked your Illuminate. I don't know how people did on that one. But I'm assuming most people are going to retake the Google Forms. In fact, everybody, please do retake it because, and I will give you the higher score. Okay? All right. Stay safe. Miss you guys.